very new and very productive and output oriented opportunity card issued by German government. I need to discuss in this clip the opportunity card. What is opportunity card? This is the opportunity card just recently announced by German government, and still how to apply the method will come in just coming days. But these conditions are very interesting. For example, I will tell you one point that total 6 points are required in calculator to be eligible for opportunity card, and 2 year educational qualification vocational degree course. Either you did get in Germany or you all over the world, which is equal to German qualification. Automatically you qualify for 6 marks. Just 2 year vocational education fulfill your requirement to apply for this opportunity card. So what is opportunity card? I will tell you. Opportunity card is the opportunity for the skilled workers for 1 year. They can enter into Germany for 1 year. They will search their job, and when they will search their job, if they will get a full-time job, their residence permit will be extended further for 2 years. Initially it will be issued for 1 year. And most important news, if you will not be able to get the full time, you still can work part-time and you can bear your expenses. So this is very good opportunity for skilled workers, and the conditions are very light. For example, I tell you condition, language, it's not the 6 points by educational qualification only. You can get the points by other way as well. For example, I tell you, if you can speak English at C1 level, you will get 2 points. The German language you can speak, you get 2 points. If you are under 35 years, you will get 2 points. If you had 5 years, in the last 5 years you have some stay in Germany, you will get 2 points. Similarly, if you are between 35 to 40 years age, you will get the 1 point. So this is very good opportunity for those people who want to go Germany and they are skilled workers. And how they will apply, mostly which we are looking, it will be online from the websites or the German consulate, which is situated just closer to you. In the coming days I will inform you that how you can apply, because German government need to tell this point very soon, in just coming days. But they announce this policy. It's unique policy, because if you see the requirement, no much English language required, no much even German language required. Just you have professional degree of 2 years, which is just equal to German university or German language German university degree, or you have 2 year vocational degree course in the Germany. You are very eligible for this opportunity card. Thank you very much.